हेलो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज रविंद्र खंडेलवाल। स्वागत है आपका एक बार फिर से एक्सरसाइज 1.4। ठीक है, आई हैव कवर्ड एक्सरसाइज 1.1, 1.2 एंड 1.3 एंड आई एम बिफोर यू विद द न्यू एक्सरसाइज 1.4 and there are two sums in this exercise in the NCERT book. Okay, so first sum is visualize 3.765 on a number line. Okay, using successive magnification. Okay, it's okay. He is saying you have to visualize 3.765. Okay, but by which method? This is the successive magnification. So I am going to tell you how to visualize this number. Okay, this is a rational number and in the decimal form. So first of all I want to tell you guys that is 3.765. that is 3.765. so definitely this number is more than 3 and less than 4. it means it will definitely lie between 3 and 4. so first of all in step 1 what will I do? I can write here like this, step 1. Okay, and what will I do? I will represent the 3 and 4, number 3 and 4 on a number line. So how to represent like this? You know how to represent the natural number on a number line. So this is, suppose this is your 1 and this is your 2 and this is your 3 and this is your 4. Okay, suppose you have visualized this one. Okay, so somewhere you have to make the 10 equal part. Okay, you have to make again 10 equal part, 3 with this line. Okay, because you know this is 3, so this is 3.0 and this is 4, so this is 4.0. okay, so again this part will be, suppose 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5 and 3.6, 3.7, 3.8 एंड 3.9. थोड़ा आपको दिखने में दिक्कत हो रही होगी, ठीक है, लेकिन यहां पर इसको हमने इस तरीके से डिवाइड कर दिया. इट्स ओके. नाउ हमारे पास जो नंबर आया है यहां पर आया है, दिस इज योर 3.7 एंड दिस इज योर 3.8. देखो, यू हैव टू सी इट स्टूडेंट, दिस इज 3. नाउ दिस इज 3.7 समथिंग, 3.7 something. It means it is more than 3.7 but less than 3.8. okay, so it will also lie between the 3.7 and 3.8. so what will I do? I will write here as a, this is 3.7. okay, and suppose this distance is 3.8. okay, now what to do? I will equally divide, okay, it in the 10 equal parts. okay, I have to take here. okay, this is step 2, suppose. so what to do? Suppose this is 3.8, because I know this number will lie between 3.7 and 3.8. so again 10 equal part, I will divide this in 10 equal parts. okay, so suppose, okay, suppose this is 3 points. okay, this is 3.7, so I write here 3.70, because you know 3.7 or 3.070 is same. okay, so this one becomes the 3 point, okay, 3.72, again 3.73 and 3.74, 3.75, 3.76, 3.77, 3.78, 3.79, and this one becomes the 3.79 after 79, 80, so 80, and you know 3.780, 3.80 is 3.8. okay, so I have visualized. okay, so you can write, make a, you know, मैग्नीफाई करने के लिए आप किस तरीके से बना सकते हैं। सपोज इसका मतलब ये यहाँ से अगर हम इसको अच्छे से देखेंगे, आफ्टर मैग्निफिकेशन वी विल ऑब्जर्व, देन वी विल फाइंड आउट दैट दिस नंबर इज बिटवीन 3.7 3 आफ्टर मैग्निफिकेशन। ओके, थोड़ा जो एनलार्ज किया है हमने, मैग्नीफाई किया है, तो इसका मतलब 3.7 और 3.8 के बाद हम नंबर लाइन पर देखेंगे तो हमारे पास उनके बीच में 3.7, okay, sorry, that was the 3.71, I am sorry, because okay, I can write here 3.71 and this is 3.7 and so this is 3.70. So what I see here, this is 3.71. Now this is 3.76 and something, 3.76 and something. It means it will definitely lie between 3.76 and between 3.77 because it is more than 3.76 and less than 3.77. Okay, so I have to magnify this portion again. What to do? Again I am magnifying this portion and what I am observing, again I am drawing. Okay, suppose this is your 3.76, okay, and again this is your 3.77. So what to do here? Suppose this is 3.76, so I can write here 3.760, no problem. So again this number becomes 3.761, 3.762, 3.763, 3.764, 3.765, 3.766, 3.767, 3.768, 3.769 and this is your 3.770 because 69 after 69 there is 70. And now you observing here, this is your required number, this 3.765. okay, like this I can visualize my number. This is required number. Okay, I hope you got it. Thank you. Okay student, this is second sum of the exercise 1.4. The second sum is saying visualize 4.26 and there is a bar above the 26 on the number line up to 4 decimal place. Okay, you have to visualize it up to 4 decimal place. Okay, because you know there is a 26 and there is a bar, so there is a repetition of the 26 again and again, but only requirement is up to 4 digits. So I can write here 4.26 bar is equal to 4.2626. I am going to visualize is now. Now you know students, this is 4.2 and something. Okay, so definitely it will lie, this is 4 point something, so first of all, so definitely it is 4 point something, it means it is more than 4, but definitely it will be less than 5. So I have to write the all the numbers 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. okay, number line, and so I know this number will definitely lie here. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, why? Because you know this number is between the 4 and 5. Again I am also visualizing this by the magnification tool. Okay, so this can be magnified as, so this one becomes the 4 is known as the 4.0 and 5 is known as the 5.0 if we are going to 1 decimal place. Okay, so this one becomes the 4.0, 4 is known as the 4.0 and this again 4.1, 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4. Because this we are going to distribute or divide this part in 10 equal parts. Okay, we are going to divide this part here in 10 equal parts, but why it is looking large? Because we are magnifying it. Okay, so this one because to 4.4, 4.5, 4.6, 4.7, 4.8, 4.9 and 5.0. again you know this is your 4.2 something, it's mean it is 4.2 something, it's mean it will be more than 4.2 and less than 4.3. so it will lie somewhere here. Again I am going to divide this part in 10 equal parts. Again it will becomes the 4.2 and it is 4.3. Now it will becomes the 4.2 is the 4.20. So 4.21, 4.22, 4.23, 4.24, 25, 26, 2.7, 28, 29 and 30. So again you know this number is 4.26. So definitely, but it is more than 4.26. So it is the 4.26, but more than, so definitely it will be it, but less than 4.27. So it will like somewhere here. Okay, again I am going to visualize it. Okay, so I am writing here 4.26 and 4.27, and this one 4.26 is 4.260, 4.261, 4.262, 4.263, like this. Okay, I am visualizing it, I am writing the number, and you know this number is 4.262. Okay, 4.262, but it is more than 4.262 but less than 4.263. Okay, so definitely this number will lie here somewhere. Okay, so what I have to do again, I am writing here, again I am visualizing. Okay, so how can I do it? So this number is, so I am again drawing, you know, and I can write here step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, and I am writing here step 5. So what to do again? Again draw another line here, and you can write here, you know, this is, you know, this is 4.262. So here I am writing 4.262, but this can be right here 4.2620. so this is the 4.263. so I can write here. Okay, here 4.262, okay, 6, okay, 3, 263, because it is 262, so it is 263. How can I write here? Suppose this one becomes 4.2621, 4.2622. Okay, here. Okay, 4.2623, 4.2624, 4.2625, 4.2626, 4.2627, 4.2628, 4.2629, 4.26 and 30. Okay, but you have to represent here 4.2626. so this is your required number. This is your required number. I hope you have got it. Thank you.